How to take scrolling screenshot on iPhone. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. This is actually super easy to do. So yeah, let's get started. Well, over here I am in the browser and I'm just going to search for YouTube and I'm going to click on go. Now over here, this is the page. Now I'm just going to scroll all the way to the bottom and just to show you guys. And it really just doesn't matter whatsoever where you take these screenshots. So where you are, it can be in the middle, it can be at the bottom. It really just doesn't matter. So what you want to do is simply take a regular screenshot. Once you've done that, this will pop up. And in the bottom left, you can see the screenshot. You want to click on there. And then at the top, you can see screen and full page. Now you want to switch to full page, just like that. And then here you can see, scroll on the right. So not with your fingers on the screenshot, because then you will draw, as you can see. You have to scroll with that thing on the right. And here you can scroll anywhere you want in the screenshot. So that is how you can take a scrolling screenshot. But how do you actually save it? Well, if you click on the top left on done, you can now see that it doesn't say save to photos. And that's because these type of screenshots cannot be saved to your Photos app. They have to be saved as PDF files to your Files app. So I'm going to click there in the top left. And over here, I'm going to save this in this PDF folder right over there. Click on save. And now I'm going to go to the Files app. Now I'm here in this folder. I'm going to scroll a bit down, and right over here, I can see YouTube, Google search. And I can now scroll all the way down just like that, which is pretty nice, right? Although you cannot take a screenshot in every single platform, it works best in browser. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.